Hello Vlogmas people. I am currently uploading day 2 of Vlogmas. So you know what that means. Welcome to day 3. I need to throw together a thumbnail for this real quick. I really need to make an effort to like stop and take pictures, I think. Does anybody have tips on how to actually create a good thumbnail? Because I feel like I'm always just trying to grab stills from my video, which they don't always turn out that great. The big happenings for today are that we are traveling to Missoula for a University of Montana football game. So my parents bought playoff tickets and offered us the extras, and David is a very big fan of football games. I would rather have stayed home and done something else, but he's been a team player and he's been going to do all my fun girly stuff with me, so I figured we could go to a football game today. Huh?
Yeah. Yep. Go Grizz.
So he's all decked out. My parents are dropping off the dogs at...
Yeah, I know. Sorry.
He thought I was talking to him.
I thought you were talking to me.
He's like, duh, I'm in on that text. You wanna see something sad? We're horrible adults. Our lights are out in our bedroom. My parents are dropping off the dogs at the daycare and then they're headed to pick us up. We've already made a trip to Walmart for some of the essentials because I think it's gonna be pretty chilly in Missoula. For a Walmart, we need long johns and gloves, that's for sure. I don't know what else we need. There's some stuff.
Yeah.
If I get this, it's not going to show because I'm going to be bundled up anyway.
You wear it on the outer. If you get an extra, get like an extra large and you wear it over your coat.
That would look stupid. At least I think it would. I have no fucking idea. None of these gloves.
I need like thick winter gloves.
Those aren't winter gloves. I found some better winter gloves. I also got some clips because I can't find any of mine. Found my thermal stuff too. This is what Reginald's looking like this morning. Isn't that the saddest thing you've ever seen? I need somebody out there to see this video and help me. Because again, he smells alcohol-y to me. I'm going to feed him a little bit of rye flour to see if that wakes him up a little bit. Because I think I do have some over there. And we're going to see what that does. Rye flour. I guess I'll do like 20 each. Does that sound good? 20 grams of bread flour. Maybe I should have just done the rye. I don't know. At this point, I'm just guessing. I'm waiting for some water to filter. That's probably enough. Okay, so that means I need like 30 to 40 grams of water. Mix this all up.
Come on, Reginald.
We'll scrape down the sides and mark it again. He's fed, marked, and all tucked in again. We'll see if anything happens, but I'm starting to lose hope. So my parents should be here any minute. We'll load up and then we'll head off to Missoula. Where's the other bedroom? Here's another bedroom. Okay. Here's the bathroom. Bathroom. I like that shower curtain. Oh, this kitchen is nice. Cool. That's cute. G4.
Miss. C6.
Miss. We're getting old. I can't see in the dark. I have to tilt it up into the light. Let's do. You cheater! J5.
J5 is a miss. I10.
Miss.
No way.
I10?
Alright.
I4.
That's a hit. Something with submarine.
We're all tied up. Steakhouse wedge. Did you get this from Smith's, Mom? Trying to find a bowl. Should I just make it in a pot then?
Yeah.
Let's make it in a pot. Okay. Make it in that?
I don't know. What do you want to make it in?
I'm making it in the pot.
Look at this big giant bowl.
That's a Dutch oven.
Look at this big giant bowl.
That's a pot. Steakhouse seasoning. It's blue. And then bacon. David, will you open this for me?
Why do they have to make shit so hard to open? Is there a knife or something?
Yeah.
That's a butter knife. Are you gonna stab it with the blunt end?
Oh, I got it though.
Did ya?
That was super safe. Toss it. Got their axe. Oh, there's salt and pepper. It's 33 degrees out right now. Low of 28 tonight, so we'll see how cold it gets.
Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby.
Smile. Here we go. Oh man, we should have brought a headlamp up. That's smart. Oh my god. Somebody left their cigarette. So I know this is a bad adult moment, but I didn't realize gloves come in sizes. So I think these gloves are too small for me. Mom's acting like she doesn't know us. I have bad influences. They want me to take a fireball shot.
Do it.
No, I don't think I'm gonna do it.
Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby.
It's snowing now. We're still waiting to get in.
Jingle with me, baby.
flipping cold.
The game is over.
I'm flipping
The
cold.
Grizz won.
I'm cold.
Megan's cold. She did it though. She made it the whole game.
Well,
The last 4 minutes
there was
doesn't
like
count.
4 minutes left.
They were up 30 points. We were okay. We weren't gonna miss much.
I need you to be honest. How bad? Oh my gosh. It's bad. Look at that.
Yeah.
That would explain why I was so cold tonight. But we made it. David just said it's 11 o'clock at night right now, so I'm gonna change into something dry and then we're gonna head to bed. We'll see you guys tomorrow.